So the question is, if we have Fs is equal to S plus 1 divided by S into S plus 2. So if you watch to this equation, we have two pole, 1 and 2, and we have 1 0. But as I already discussed in my previous video, that the number of poles always equal to the number of 0. So here we have the one pole lies at S is equal to 0 and the another pole lies as S is equal to minus 1. How I say this, that this pole lies at this point, I already discussed in my previous video. Here the 1 0 lies as S is equal to minus 1, but the another 0 will be lie at infinity. So we have two pole and two 0, while 1 0 lies at minus 1, while the other 0 will lie at infinity. So now the question is, if you have Fs is equal to S plus 1 divided by S into S plus 2, find Fs at point S is equal to minus 3 plus 4j. So putting that value F into minus 3 plus 4j is equal to minus 3 plus 4j divided by minus 3 plus 4j into minus 3 plus 4j plus 2. So from putting these value, you here it's plus 1, you get like Fs is equal to minus 3 plus 4j plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 4j plus minus 3 plus 4j plus 2. So simplify it, you get that minus 2 plus 4j divided by minus 3 plus 4j into minus 1 plus 4j. So using the calculator we convert this Cartesian form into the polar form, and I convert this, we get 2 into under root 5 116 divided by 5 into under root 126 under root 16 into this. So taking this value, just the magnitude, and we calculate that, we get 0.217, and finding 116 minus 126 minus 105, so we get the value of this. So this is the Fs at point S is equal to minus 3 plus 4j. So this is the graphical representation of the poles by using the cross sign. So one pole is at 0, another pole is at minus 2. So the 1 0 is at minus 1, and I represent that by this sign. So just drawing, this is the given point. So this magnitude is this pole, and this magnitude is this pole, magnitude is this pole. This is this magnitude is 5 into angle 126. So similarly the other line also.